Hey guys, Ben Rauschenbach here with my woodworking journey, and today we're going to build a garden tool rack. Actually a couple of them. Pretty simple project, just some 1/2-inch plywood. It's 4 inches deep by 6 feet long, and some 1/2-inch wooden dowels, and get all your garden tools put up out of the way and a whole lot safer and neater. So, fun project. Let's get started. This is my original place in the garage that I stored all my yard tools. It doesn't work well at all, and that's really what has motivated me to rearrange my yard tool storage. I just wanted to show you that. The first thing you need to do in making this tool storage system is to rip down some 1/2-inch plywood into 4-inch wide pieces. I've got 3 stacked up here. I've measured, I want 6-foot lengths to match the length of my cabinet back here. And I'm going to go ahead and cut these out. I spent the last hour or so laying out my tools, getting things measured so that I would know exactly where to put everything, exactly where to put my dowels, and make sure it works for what I have for my gardening. It's going to be different for your tools. Everything's a little different for your needs. But I recommend spending the time now to lay that out, get everything marked out before you just start adding dowels in here and hanging things up. Okay, so you can see here I've just kind of laid out, got everything marked. For me, this ended up being about 2.5-inch spacing. Looked like it was going to be good for my hand tools here. Got that laid out. I figured out what I needed to do. And then when you get to the bigger tools, naturally, it's a little different, so I just set those up where I needed them. I'm going to get started drilling my holes for my dowels. Okay, I need to make 16 dowels that are approximately 1.5 inches long. I've set up my fence here. I've got a stop block, and I'm just going to run through those real quick and get those cut. Alright, I just set up my little drill press here real quick, and I'm going to start boring out holes for my dowels. The holes have been bored, and I'm just going to sand off the pencil marks and clean these boards up. I've got all my dowels laid out, the different sizes that I need for the tools. Did that in advance so I didn't get in a rush, and I'm going to start gluing those into the holes. While the glue is drying, I've just been adding these nylon loops to my hand tools here, and wanted to show you how that works. I'll just take a piece of nylon here and put a triple knot on it. And trim the excess off. Melt the frayed ends. And that's it. Got a nice nylon loop for your tools. Now all that's left to do is to hang the tool rack. The little tool storage system here. Very easy to put together, and it's got all my tools set up. I really appreciate you watching, I've got a lot more projects coming, so I hope you'll subscribe to my channel so you won't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.